Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing. We still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
I couldn't wait for school to finish today.
Hey, Doug! Evie!
Bye! Hey, look, it's Callum with Waffle. Because Zoe's new boyfriend, Callum, was taking us out for a treat with Waffle.
Hey, Doug. Good to see you again, and to finally meet you in person, Evie.
Hi, Waffle, I missed you.
I love this doggy. And, guys, I know he can do everything you two can do.
Yeah.
So, Waffle's coming along on our treat too.
Come where? Where are we going on a special treat?
Well, we are going to somewhere where you're gonna need these. Ta-da! Snow gloves! The snow arena!
Yeah!
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
Waffle too?
Yep. You are gonna love snow sports.
Yeah!
And Simon's coming too.
Snow.
Snow. Wait! No. Sorry about this. No.
You must be Callum.
Simon. No, you're right.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Now, are we ready for some snow time?
Yes.
Well, let's shake off the school day.
Oh, come on. Right.
Come on! And snow arena, here we come!
Right, come on.
Shake it off. Snow.
Waffle's never seen snow before, has he?
No. Oh, look at him.
Snow.
Wait for us, Waffle!
Come on, let's go!
Snow! Oh, Waffle loves snow! Cold snow!
Snow is cold, Waffle, but you can warm up by playing in the snow.
Hey, look! Can we go sledding like them? It looks great fun.
Oh, yeah. Come on, Callum. Come on. Yeah.
Oh, no. Hold on. I need to ask if Waffle's allowed to sledge with us first.
Oh, no. Waffle's a Wonderdog. He does everything that we do.
Yeah!
Yeah,
Sledge.
I know. But can you see any other dogs in here?
No.
I don't see any dogs at all.
Waffle sledge!
Okay, Waffle, I think Callum's right. We need to check if it's okay for you to go sledging first.
But, Waffle sledge!
Waffle can sit here and wait for me while you guys go up and sledge down. Hey, I will find the person in charge and ask about their dog policy. Hey, I'll be quick. Hey, Waffle!
Huh? Oh.
Here we come!
Wow, that was brilliant!
Fun!
Oh, Waffle, you have to wait all on your own.
Oh,
I know. I can wait here with you.
no. Evie, up, down.
Okay, I'll go up, down one more time. Thank you, Waffle. Wait for me! But Waffle doesn't wait for me to go up and down again. He decided to come on up by himself.
Up.
Right, everybody ready to slide down?
Yep, but first we've got to wave to Waffle.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Waffle. Hold on. Where is Waffle? Waffle!
Oh, Waffle, you can't come up.
Yeah!
Waffle! You really can't be up here, Waffle.
Oh,
The snow arena manager said dogs are not allowed on the snow.
no dogs.
I'm really sorry.
Oh,
I should have suggested a more dog-friendly treat. It's all my fault.
Next time, Waffle can choose.
Yeah, me choose.
He can.
So now what are you going to do with Waffle?
I've agreed Waffle can have one quick play with a snowball, and then we can go to the park and play football.
But you've got to have a sledge, Callum.
No, you guys sledge. Waffle and I are sticking together.
Love you, Waffle.
Right, come on, you two.
Hey, Waffle, let's play. Come on, then. Snowball football!
Can't catch me.
Oh.
Oops.
Oh,
Down.
I'll get it.
Okay.
Oi! Out the way, dog! Coming through! Yes! Hi, Brooklyn Belle!
Mrs. Hobbs? What's that, Mrs. Hobbs?
Hello, Waffle!
Wow! Hot bubs!
Hi, Evie! Hi, Douglas!
It is Mrs. Hobbs.
Waffle, why aren't you enjoying the fun?
Oh,
I never knew snow sport could be so much fun.
no.
When roller skating wasn't for me, I thought I'd try snowy fun. Sledging, skiing. Far more thrilling. Come on, I'll show you how.
No. No.
Waffle, live a little.
But Waffle can't.
I'll tell you a secret. I've discovered that being a little bit brave does me the world of good. If I can do it, so can you. Come on, Waffle. Let's do this together.
Oh, okay.
Look, what Waffle's doing.
Oh, no, he's getting into Mrs. Hobbs' sledge. Waffle!
Ready, Waffle?
Yep.
Fortune favours the brave! Whee! Waffle! This is such fun!
Dogs are not allowed.
Ah, but he's no ordinary dog. He's Waffle, the Wonderdog. He can do everything.
I'm
Just
so
like
sorry.
me.
I'm so sorry. Waffle, Callum, get him out of here. That Mrs. Hobbs, let me help you up.
No, I want more sledging.
I think you've had enough for today. Yes. Come on, let me help you. Come on. We're home!
Up here, Dad. We're upstairs. We're sledding too. We knew you were having fun at the snow arena, and we didn't want to miss out. Yeah. So we've been having sled fun on an air mattress.
Well, can we have a go as well?
Yeah.
Come on, then, get off.
Hey,
That's
Dougie,
it.
how was the snow arena?
Oh, it was
Great, but
Wait,
wasn't allowed on the snow.
Yeah. And Mrs. Hobbs was there.
Mrs. Hobbs broke the rules so Waffle could go on the snow.
And in the end, the snow arena realised that dogs should be allowed on the snow.
Yeah.
And thanks to Waffle, from now on, once a month there'll be a doggy snow day at the snow arena.
Oh.
You want me?
Yep.
Okay.
We're all on the sledge. So who's getting off to pull? Okay.
Look, I'll help you, Callum. Right, coming through.
Callum's great.
I can see that.
Oh, that's nearly as fun as playing in the snow. Thanks, Callum. Thanks, Dad. Should we go again?
Let's go again.
Come on, Waffle's on.
sleep well tonight after all your snowy fun. Like Dad.
Mum, we had so much fun in the snow.
I'm glad.
Doug's lucky. He's got 2 dads.
Yeah, he kind of has.
Nice. As I lay on my pillow, I looked at the photograph of Nate. Night, Nate. My birth dad. Maybe one day I would know both of my dads too.
Everybody! Waffle